Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending the country for they watch me. How do I look? Am I looking okay? Am I looking taken away? So good morning. I want to thank everyone when they subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Anybody they subscribe, when they watch my video, may God bless you. Thank you so much as you do so. So today's topic is a very important topic. The topic just they brought me from my mind because if I don't do the video since and because I don't get chance because they go work, I say if I just get chance I'll come talk the topic. It's a very serious topic. This topic goes to mostly men will never marry. This advice they go for them, and those who don't still marry, it still go for them small. If you be man, no treat woman bad. Because you get one video now where they move around, where they verse me. And this thing is just in my mind, and they walk and they think as I must talk. I don't care what will happen, but I must talk the topic. Because you know go make men just they treat woman bad. It's very, very bad. Because if woman just say I love you, before a woman tell you say I love you for something. And before woman do anything for you, you do it for love. So you know if you tell the woman say because the woman do that thing to you, you go use the woman as a fool. Because many men they cause problem for this one we did. After they will say the woman they're very, very wicked. Women are not wicked, women are very good. You men are the cause. 20%, 80% of men are very wicked in this world we did. And only 20% they're very good. So stop treating woman bad. Because you get daughter, you get mama, you get sisters. The way you say they treat the woman, that's how they will treat your own daughters, your own sisters, and your own mama too. So if you don't say you get mama, you go born pikin, you go born girl, not treat woman bad. Because whatever you go sow, you go reap if you be man. So be careful before you treat woman bad. Because this video why I see so, it just affects me for my body since. It dey scatter my head. How you go just say woman now, you love the woman. You say make the woman call naked for you, the woman show your body to you. You do out of love. After I don't show that then you come put out for video, they show the woman nakedness, they go. It's very bad because they want money for you. Know go work. Stop being lazy, men. Go and look for a job. Don't stay there. They say if the woman must give you money to chop. Don't they treat you man bad. Go and work as a man. Stop today as they sleep. Go work. Not depend on the woman. Say the woman go work, they give you money. If you find woman what go give her money, you don't go work as a man. You don't get sisters. If they from tell you something, they go hustle for now. Not because they maybe you now say women go make a woman for Nigeria. So those women want they carry for Nigeria, or they say they give her money. Not because they are abroad. Abroad no days to stay. Stop treating women bad. Make them behave with men. Stop that nonsense one that they do to treat women bad. It's not good to treat women bad. Most of the way you don't say you go born baby get tomorrow. Don't do bad so you go last as a man. Not the treat woman bad. Not the treat woman bad. Respect woman. The way you take respect your mother, respect woman like that. The way you go take respect your own pikin when you go born tomorrow, respect your woman like that. Not be say woman you go tell the baby I love you. Can I see your body? Maybe the woman will come open your body, can't show you. After they don't show you body, you will come to ask the woman, maybe the woman can't give you money. The woman tells you not get money. Then you come tell the woman because you don't give money, you can't expose the woman body. You are disgracing yourself as a man. Not be the woman you disgrace, you disgrace your own daughter, your own sister, your own mother too. So make us be one, man, be one. Be careful. Don't treat man bad. Don't treat women bad. Respect woman. Because God creates women in the image of men. So anyone where you see where come your way, respect that woman. That make many women that they mean this time around. They will say women don't they get respect. Women don't they both the one they for Nigeria and don't that, but now they say to them be. If you like you say you get wife for Africa, they do more than what they for but you here with this so. Some women are very mean. Because some women they say they pretend to love you, don't love you. And to use and dump you as a rack. So men make gonna behave well, respect woman. Show respect to a woman, any woman you get, any woman you come your way, respect her, value woman. Value that woman if you don't say you go last. Value that woman well. Woman a woman. Any woman will come your way, respect her as a woman. And any woman will open body, show you love you. And I want to tell women too, if you get boyfriend, you get husband, He tell you say make you show your body. Not show your body. Never you try it again. Because since people say they show them your body now, they're not value. You don't show them again. They will take and put for video for YouTube to make them see your body. Maybe they want to ask you for something and you don't see the thing give them. They will come, they show the whole world your body. No, make una get that sense now. As for now, this moment, make una get that sense where no matter whether he be your husband, no, he love you, he dey America, he dey tell am say no. You don't go show your body until he come and see you live. Because someone will love you, know, say make you naked your body, make you see your body. If you want to see naked, make you go carry woman for road and see the naked body. So make women stop am because you be love the man now. The man will tell you, say, maybe can I see your body? It's okay, you try. After you don't show, you go to expose your body. So there is no need. Women make una get sense. Make una get sense for these useless men. They're not good at all. Because now the men dey for road and they were couple and they find women where they want. The woman where they go use mostly Facebook men. But all these men for Facebook, they be scammer men. They find people they want chop their money. They don't get job. Their job now women. Women when they want you say, give me money, maybe this, maybe that, maybe that. They don't get single love. All they want na money, and the one of them go die anyhow. Most of them die a premature death. They will get their own daughter too. As they treat women, so they will still treat their own daughter. So men, don't treat any woman bad. Mostly if you get gay. And if you still get boy, they will take your son to gay. Because you treat woman bad. So make una be one. Be careful. Respect woman. The way you respect your mother, respect woman like that. Respect your wife. Respect your girlfriend. Anywhere you call your way, respect her. Respect is very important. You understand? So make una behave well. Show respect to your wife. Show respect to your girlfriend. Don't say make woman dey open body for you. Woman open body for you. You can't expose the woman body. They show public because they want to get money for the woman. Go and work. Men, make una go work. Men, lazy men. You go see some men are serious men. They work. Then they work. They're not bloody kids. They go job. They will take care of woman self. Then they value the women well. But this abroad men will be poor. When not get job, all they know not to chop woman money. They think say woman won't give them money. They will find mama will go give them money. Who don't people they be mama for this over there, Igbo? Make una go work. Make una know they enter Facebook, they find and make find whether we say mama will go give us some money. No mama go give money nowadays. All women don't get sense. And that's not useless woman, then you come carry money give her now. And if you want carry money give her, it won't use on her head. It won't use it on they do a sacrifice for himself. Because correct woman wey get sense no go give her money. All those women wey dey give her money, take her they do sacrifice for himself. And now when they touch her up and they go say because they go they use her they do a sacrifice and I go quit that. So make una be careful, men. Be careful. No dey use woman as rag. Respect woman. Any man wey come your way, respect am. Value am as a woman being. If they friend the woman dey distance from you. Call her for phone, and I go talk, and I go gist until I go see each other. Let me say, go say, make the woman naked herself. Maybe the woman be naked herself out of love. You show your body out of love. Then you contact the woman and say, make you give him money. The woman will tell you, say, you don't get money. You contact the woman and say, because you don't get money, I'm going to show your body to public. Show him. Because some women don't care. They don't bloody care. No one will care. So be one, make sure they very careful, men. Be careful. Respect women wey come on our way. Respect. Make one the truth say Obodebo women they not good though. Obodebo women they wicked though. Obodebo women not get respect. Once you not get respect. Show respect to your woman. Show respect. Women I beg, and they beg all women. I beg. No matter how you love the man, not show the man again. Your naked body. Make one stop him. Since all those men they don't value that thing they do for them, make one stop him. Women make one stop. Even if you're your husband, not show your naked body from distance. Maybe now your husband there over there, you know, the man tell you say, baby, mommy, can I? That one say no, my dear, I can't see it. You can't see it because the way you go see him now, he go show him for he go show for body. This one show me one. I won't give one story. One man, he tell the wife say he won't see his body. The wife come say okay. He tell the wife say they miss am oh, and they miss you honey, and they miss you honey. Then the woman say okay, what you want? I say you want see body. Then the woman come show, take a picture. Mistake na the woman come put am for group WhatsApp. As they put am for group WhatsApp now. Now so all the whole group come see the wife body. You understand? Which is bad. This thing have to stop. Men, I beg, make una stop this kind of habit. Say make women dey show her body. Love woman, respect woman as you respect your daughter, because tomorrow you go born. You go born a big girl. Except you don't go born at all. If you don't see money, you'll get sister too. So respect woman, show respect to a woman. I beg men. And they beg on respect to women. Very important. Show respect. Anywhere come our way, van one. Not they find money from women hand again. Go work, go do shora, go hustle as a man. Now man they take care of women. No women ready to take care of man these days. Money not there. Women don't change. Women don't open eye. And they tell women now, make una get sense nowadays. Because nowadays, men they find will give them money. If you see man ask for money, run leave the man. No matter how the man go preach for you, don't say you don't get money to give him. Don't carry the money you go take feed your children and go give one bastard man. Waste on your own. Because men don't deserve any that kind of a thing, no matter how. No matter you go do to please man or submit to the man, man will go treat you bad, go still treat you bad. So women, make una get sense, I beg. Hold your money. If you dey work, keep your money. Don't give money to any bastard man, no. Not show them, nothing say you not get. And they go take care of you. I just now 50, the 50, they say now 50, the 50, we say you give her your body, you go enjoy you. That be 50. He go come take care of you. Not be say you carry your money, they give her, make for love, you know. Money cannot buy love. Love is natural. So men, try to love your woman. Value your woman, respect your woman. If you call her for phone, don't say make you show your body. Can I see your body? Can I do this? Open your body, turn your back, turn this, let me see it. You call take day after now. If the woman now do now, you go say if you not give me so much, you go expose her. You dey do yourself, she don't give you the money. You understand? So make her be careful. Be careful, men. I beg. And they beg men. So men, I know they talk for all the women though. Now 20% of the men, 80% of the men were wicked, now they talk to. 20% of the man were good, now we they bless. And they bless any man where they respect woman. May God bless her now. Any man where they show woman the respect, may God bless her. But any man where they treat woman bad, not go last. So that's all my topic is for today. Now so I get topic for today. So I will also come again with another topic for this my new video. So make sure I try to like my video. Share my video so you go reach all the old women. So all women go get sense. So they go start to expose their body. Share my video, like my video, comment on my video. Make one not verse for me. Now advice, it's just part of advice. Now I won't give men. Next time I will still go talk to women too, not be only men, because men they not be say I they talk only for men. Next time I will still give women their own advice. So I don't still talk. I still talk about women for this video when I talk so women, make sure they respect on our boyfriend. Respect your husband. Show consent to them. Never say if they give on our money, on our take care of them. You go make you respect your man when you get. You understand? So that's all my video reach for today. I'll not get too much talk to some. I'll come in my next video. Bye. See you in my next video. So make sure subscribe, share my video to your Facebook group, WhatsApp group, any group where you did. Share my video, like it, comment on it. Make all the old women in the old world see my video to say, make them stop that rubbish. Make them they naked their body give any man. Any man will love them. They go see the, if you say the man they find this task, let the child go see the man if they get document, or make the man go see them. Not be say they will naked their body. So see, bye bye. I don't get talk. So see you in my next video. I'll come soon with other good topics. See you. Bye.